The other day we bring to try to my son's school teacher, Laura Fan, and they really like it. And yesterday I got phone call of principal of his school because the other day she was not there, so she also wanna try. And I asked my husband to prepare special for her, so that's why we are here today, and she gonna try it.
This video is brought to you by my school Petr Klíč or by Chegov Holiday.
Here you go.
Wow!
A pancake with tuna, cheese, eggs. Here we have tea eggs, sonyo bean, and on the bottom, yo fan. And of course, some sauce. How do you think? Good? In Czech, difficult to create Taiwanese breakfast. I really love sonyo bean. And my husband actually cooking it for me at least once per week.
Nikdy jsem to neochutnávala, to je moc chutné. Je to dobrý.
So this is TX. It's kind of special way of cooking. In Europe we don't cook this way. And in Taiwan you can find it everywhere, especially in 7-Eleven. So do you like it? Do you think it's better than our
Je to
typical
dobrý.
eggs?
Chutná mi to hodně. Ahoj, teď jsem vyzkoušela tajvanský snídaně, bylo to fakt dobrý. Mohli bychom to vyzkoušet i pro naši školu. Dětem by to mělo chutnat.
Now I know why principal wants us to eat this.
Me too.
It's great. I like my food dry, so I'm not gonna use the sauce this time.
I think with sauce is better. Trust me.
Oh, I don't think so. But yeah.
I think this sauce makes it better. I agree.
This is the reason why I like my food dry, because the original taste.
Sticky rice is really sticky.
Yes, surprisingly.
It looks like a kind of stone.
Just look like bread.
Let's
eat the bread
stone
together. Brain.
Yeah, stone.
Oh, interesting.
Yeah, it smells nice.
I never smelled that before.
And I've never tasted it before.
Dobrý den, jsem Larisa Wursta a jsem ředitelkou mateřské a základní školy Petr Klíč. Pro naši zahradní třídu jsme pořídili 2 jurty, kde naše děti se můžou vzdělávat v přírodním a přirozeném prostředí. Pokud se chcete dozvědět více a dokonce nás podpořit, podívejte se na odkaz pod videem.